Okay guys, a little different video here today. Let me tell you a story. A couple years ago, before I started my YouTube channel, I was wanting to go to Guntersville and do some crappie fishing. I'd never been on a lake before, so I go to YouTube, I start searching out crappie fishing on Lake Guntersville. And I come up with a couple of guys that I watched, man, 15, 20 videos. I was able to look at some of the background of those videos and figure out some bridges, some boathouses, some power lines, some different areas of the lake that these guys were fishing in. And that's really all I wanted, was some areas. I didn't want to know the exact spot, but you know, if I knew where these guys were catching fish, then I could go find those areas and do my thing. So I run across this guy, Richard Gene the Fishing Machine. He had videos, man, for years and years and years. So I got to thinking, I wonder how much money this guy's making on YouTube. This guy's got 378,000 subscribers. He's got 722 videos up, and I'm like, man, that's unbelievable. So I go to his channel and go to videos right here, hit the oldest, and I noticed this guy has been doing this for 8 years. His oldest video is 8 years old. And a lot of his older videos are only got 12, 15,000 videos. I mean, 12, 15,000 views. And so I just start scrolling through, and I'm watching anything that's got crappie and Guntersville in it. So, and this guy's awesome. He goes out, he catches fish, and he doesn't have he doesn't have live scope or anything. He just goes out and fishes. So this guy's been fishing that lake forever. And so I would encourage you, if you want to go to Guntersville, hey, you watch his videos, he'll put you on fish. If you can kind of look at the background and see where he's at and stuff, and give some techniques and colors and stuff. So it's like this one right here. I think this one was at a bridge. But anyway, so I got to wondering, how much money is this guy making? So I go and I look at his popular videos. His most popular video has 1.9 million views. And he's got several with 1.7, 1.5, 1.5, 1.4, 1.3. And I was like, wow, that's crazy. So I figured out you can go on a website called Social Blade, and you can search Richard Gene the Fishing Machine. So I did, and here we go. He's got 378,000 subscribers. He's got 113 million views in 8 years. That's phenomenal for a fishing channel. He was created on September 19th, 2016. Let's see what he's got going here. Sports ranking, he's 973rd in all of YouTube in a sports rank. In the last 30 days, he's gained 4,000 subscribers. In the last 30 days, he's had 1.7 million views. His monthly estimated earnings, and this was just blowed me away. This guy's making somewhere, and this is an estimate, guys. This is not set in stone, but this guy's making on. It's estimated that he's making between 428, which is not. It's nowhere close to that. All the way up to $7,000, $6,900 a month in earnings, and that's an estimate. And his yearly estimated earnings are up to $52,000. Now you can go in here and actually buy, because I was going to see what his 365-day deal. You have to buy a subscription to look at some of the other stuff. So I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to see what was free here to look at. But if you go down and look, his last 30 days, 1.7 million views. He's made between 428 and 6,900. Now, if you go up here, you can kind of look at each individual day. You know, he's made 237 bucks, 232. This is per day. 285, 211, 152, and this is just an average or an estimate. It's not an average, it's an estimate of what he's making. So it could be more, could be less, I don't know. But I just thought it was fascinating. Now I started my channel Let's see. Let me find it. I can tell I failed typing. There it is. So I created my channel January 16th of 2024. So I'm about 8 years behind Richard. I've only got 3,000 subscribers. I've got 121,000 views, and it doesn't even register my earnings because I've only been paid one time so far. I got monetized back around the first of the year, so I've only made a couple $100. But it gives you an idea of what is possible if you just continually stay at it, steady. I mean, this guy's got 722 videos, so and that's in 8 years. So he's making a lot of videos, but he's just steady doing it. Let me see this other one, Fishing with Norby. I was trying to find Fishing with Norby on here because he's another one I watched a lot. Let me go back and see if I can find how his is actually and I will say this, yeah, BYE Fishing with Norby right here. This guy, I reached out to him on Messenger. This guy's awesome, dude. Just asked him, I kind of told him where I felt like I was going to go and what kind of pattern I was going to do, and I just asked a question, do you feel like I'll find fish if I do this? And he said, absolutely. So he responded within 30 minutes of me reaching out to him, and I just think he's awesome. I reached out to Richard. Richard never emailed me back. He's got 378,000 subscribers, so you know, it's who knows whether he had time to reach back out or not. But this guy right here, Fishing with Norby, Andrew Norby, he is awesome. He's got some really good videos as well. Let's see if we can find his channel. Let's copy that. Let's go back over here too. There it is right there. Okay, so he's got 70,000 subscribers. Now, when I first started watching Norby, he only had like 18,000 subscribers, so he's gained a lot of subscribers. He's also got 13 million views, and this guy fishes professionally too, but he's from up around Guntersville, and so his estimated earnings are $510 to $8,000 monthly. Let's see what his videos are doing. So his videos are estimated earnings. They're not doing as much as some of Richard's are doing, but you know, they're 20, 30, 40. And you know, my goal was to be able to go out, go fishing, make a video during my fishing, put it together, put it on, and hopefully get to the point where I could pay for my minnows and my gas and my, you know, just kind of offset the cost of fishing with a channel. So this guy's definitely in the last little bit really doing well. But it's a pretty cool website, Social Blade. If you're going fishing somewhere you've never been there before, jump on YouTube, search the lake. There'll be some guys doing some videos. I do a lot on Lake Tuscaloosa, so if somebody wanted to fish Lake Tuscaloosa, they could watch my videos and find landmarks and go to the spots I fish. So just an interesting take on how much money a guy could make on YouTube and how much Richard G and the Fishing Machine's knocking down and Norby's knocking down, and it's just interesting to look at these numbers. And hey, hopefully one day, 5-6 years from now, we'll be in that same boat. But until then, I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully this give you a little insight on what's going on. And if you got any comments, leave them below. And if you like the channel, like and subscribe and turn that notification button on. And we appreciate you guys watching Umber Outdoors.